Hello, in this video, we're going to look at the quick overview of the multi-branch point of sale. So here, this will be like your dashboard. So we need to go to business setting. So under business setting, this way you can manage settings for your business, the business name, the default currency, the currency symbol, the number display, either abbreviated or full, the currency precision, accounting and fiscal. Then this will be tax management. Then this will be for product management. Then this is the for setting credit limit. Then this will be for sales management. Then this will be for setting POS, point of sale. So here you can set the display for your checkout POS screen, how you want it to be. You can also adjust the position of the card. Do you want it right or left? Then what's the product card size? Then you can also adjust the size of the card. Then what are the products to display per row? You can display it here, either 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Then the default product view, do you want grid or list? Then the font size you select it accordingly. Okay. Then here this will be like a display screen. Then this will be for purchase management. You can purchase requisition, batch number, okay. Enable purchase requisition, enable purchase order. Then this will be for payment management, okay. Then this will be like dashboard. You can select the default dashboard theme that you want. You set it from here. Then the system, here you can set the brand color that you want to use for your system. You choose and then set accordingly. Then what are the maximum line of items per transaction? You can enable or disable text notification. Then you can also show the text, the help text menu or no. Then this will be the prefixes. Then here we shall have the email setting. If you want the notifications to be sent automatically to your suppliers or customers, you can set them from here. So you can choose SMT, the host name, port, etc. Then this will be the SMS settings. So you can choose from the various. For now, Africa is talking Tamil. Then we have global text magic, SMS, 2 bulk SMS, message bad, click and send, etc. Okay. Or you can choose from other Trio, Neximo, etc. So when you choose, for example, if you are choosing Africa is talking, it will automatically show you the fields that you're supposed to complete. After that, you click save. Okay. Then you can also test to see if SMS are working. Okay. Then here we have the modules. So you can have here purchase, stock transfer account, add stock adjustment, post expense. Then have tables. This is for restaurant, modifiers for restaurant, service staff, then element of substitution, then clinical consultation, then have custom invoice layout, then you have approvals, you have laboratory testing, then types of service. Okay, so you can enable what you want to use in your business. This will be for business location. So here you can set the various business location. So you can edit go setting, you can deactivate location. If you want add new, just tap add new here. Location, you can add it accordingly. Then this will be invoice setting. Then we have our custom invoice layout. So this is our custom invoice layout. You can set invoice layout for sales invoice. So choose what you want to appear on the invoice. Okay. You set when you turn on, below it means you have turned it on. Then you can also disable. Okay. Then you can also preview how it will appear like. So it will appear like this. Okay. Then we have quotation here, sales order, purchase requisition, then 50 post 80 okay. You can show preview first or you can print immediately. Then we have two methods of printout or layout for the POS item. We have the full one and then the Chrome wrap. So let us test this one. Let us preview. So this one will appear like this, okay? Or you can go with it. You can go with another one. This, which is the full width. So here you can also set full width, then you can preview how full width appears like. So this will be the full width of your 8mm receipt printer, okay? Then you have 858mm receipt printer. So you configure how you want your receipt printer to appear like. Then you have the packing list, packing shipping order, packing 8mm, packing 58mm. Then here you have the payment receipt, 8mm, then goods received note, journal entry, transfer. Then we have credit note, and debit note. Okay, so you set how you want your receipt to appear like accordingly. Okay, then here of course we have tax management. Then we have the multi-currency module. Okay, so then here is where you can manage our users from the rows, sales commission. Then this is where you can manage your contacts from. You can add suppliers, customers, customer group, import contacts. Then if you want to add maybe some customers in the system, you tap, then you go to add, then the form for creating a new contact will appear. Okay. Then of course you have to save details accordingly. Then this is for product management. You have list of products, add product, update price, print, then selling price, unit, category, brands, warranties, among others. Okay. Then this is for purchase management. This purchase, add purchase, purchase draft list, purchase return. Then this is for sales management. Okay. Then if you have some commission, you can also manage commission from here. Okay. Then this will be stock transferring from one location to another. Then stock adjustment, you can do stock adjustment from here. You can tap add stock adjustment from here. Then select the business location, assuming this is a business location. Then you can load by all products. And what action do you want to take? You want to add stock. Then you click load all products. So it has loaded all the products. Then you have to select the reason for doing the stock adjustment. This is a manual correction, so it will be added here. So you adjust your stock accordingly. So it will show you what is now. It is this. So after you have added, for example, if you add here is 50, to say 50, so it will go to 136. So we add the 86. When you add 50, to go to 136. Okay. Then after that, you go and complete the stock adjustment. Okay. Then here we shall have expense management. This is where you can monitor your expenses from. Okay. Then here we have the various business intelligence reports. You have the customer portfolio report, cashier performance report, branch performance report, most profitable product. So say customer portfolio report. Then you can select the filter. Then you see maybe you want this here. So to show you here the customer, the portfolio. So in what you can see is per branch here. Then peak hours. You see when you make more transactions. So it help you it will guide you in making good purchase decisions in your business. Then this will be the cashier performance report. You can also specify maybe we can say want this map. So to show you, okay, the average transaction, the total sales done, the invoice count. Okay. Then you also here you can see the most profitable product. So when you did transaction today, these were the most profitable product. You can view that we want to see only this current month. This month. So the most profitable product is this one. Okay. Then you can also, of course, you can also print out report. Very good. You can export to Excel or you can do PDF export. You can also view bill-wise profitability. Okay. So for each transaction, this is going to show you what's the profit you made per transaction. So it will show you immediately. Then it shows the slow-moving products among others. Then we have the financial reports here, profit and loss report. Okay. You can view the profit and loss report for a period. For example, we want for this month. So sure, for this month, they have made a profit of this. Let's say operating expenses. You can also export this report to PDF. So this will be the exported report to PDF. Okay. So it will show you here a good report. Then we have, of course, balance sheet, trial balance, cash flow, then account receivable, account payable report, receivable aging, payable aging, customer statement, supplier statement. Then we have payment account here. You can manage them from here. Then here we also have accounting. You can have the chart of account, journal entry. You can create a journal entry, control entries, and transfer money from one account to another. Then you have more other reports here, purchase report, purchaser report, among others. Okay. Then this here will be notification templates. Then of course this will be business setting. Then here we shall go back to our dashboard. Then you can also make a transaction. You just go to quick POS. Of course, once you have opened the register for begin the day, you go to POS. Then this is where you make your transactions from. Then for example, we want to sell this. Then we can complete the transaction. So how much do we give? We give 50. Meaning you are supposed to refund the 0.12. Then finalize the transaction. Okay. So this is the receipt that you can print and give to your customer. So basically, this is a quick overview of multi-branch POS system. I hope to guide you. Thank you very much.